In a world where convenience, health, and environmental awareness are central to home cooking, this GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet takes center stage. This 9.5-inch skillet from GiPP brings a blend of eco-friendly materials, high-quality performance, and style, making it a great addition for both novice and seasoned cooks. With features like the 5i Ultra Non-Stick coating, ergonomic design, and compatibility with various stovetops, this skillet meets the demands of modern kitchens. In this review, we'll take a closer look at what makes this frying pan stand out and why it might be the right choice for you. Why choose the GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet? With so many frying pans on the market, it can be tough to know which one is the best fit for your needs. The GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet makes the decision easier with its unique blend of style, functionality, and eco-friendliness. Let's highlight some of the main reasons why this skillet stands out. 1. Health-focused design. PFOS and PFOA-free with SGS certification, meaning you can cook with confidence knowing it's safe. 2. Easy maintenance. With its non-stick coating and easy clean surface, cooking and cleanup are hassle-free. 3. Versatile use. Compatible with all major stovetops, making it a versatile choice for any kitchen setup. 4. Comfortable handling. Ergonomic bakelite handle stays cool, ensuring safe and enjoyable cooking. 5. Sustainable choice. Cast aluminum interior reduces CO2 emissions during manufacturing. A healthier choice. Eco-friendly non-stick coating. If you're health-conscious, this non-stick frying pan skillet is a game-changer. The white granite non-stick coating is not only visually appealing, but also eco-friendly and free from harmful PFOS and PFOA chemicals. With SGS-approved 5x Ultra Non-Stick performance, the surface ensures that food doesn't stick, allowing for cooking with minimal to no oil. This feature supports a healthier cooking approach while being easy to clean, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. For anyone looking to make a positive environmental and health-conscious choice, this skillet offers the best of both worlds. Durable and easy to maintain. The skillet's durable cast aluminum interior is designed for longevity, making it a worthwhile investment. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that wear down quickly, the GiPP skillet offers a hard-wearing surface that doesn't chip or degrade over time. It's incredibly easy to clean as well. A simple wipe with a paper towel or rinse with water removes any leftover food particles. This cleaning ease promotes sustainable use with reduced water waste, an excellent feature for eco-conscious consumers. However, hand washing is recommended to prevent oxidation and extend the pan's lifespan. Ergonomic design and comfort. Cooking should be enjoyable, and the GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet delivers on that with its ergonomic handle. Made from bakelite with a wood grain design, the handle stays cool while cooking, so you won't need to worry about burning your hand. Its comfortable grip also enhances safety and control, making it easy to maneuver, even for complex cooking tasks. The thoughtful design of this handle makes everyday cooking tasks feel like a breeze, offering comfort along with style. Versatile compatibility with all stovetops. One of the top features of the GiPP frying pan is its compatibility with all stovetops. Thanks to a magnetized base, the skillet can be used on gas, ceramic, electric, and induction stoves, allowing for quick and even heat distribution. This versatility means you can count on consistent results, whether you're cooking on a high-end induction cooker or a traditional gas stove. It's perfect for anyone who wants reliable performance across various stovetops without having to worry about uneven heating or hot spots. Reliable customer support and guarantee. GiPP prioritizes quality, and this commitment is reflected in their strict multi-inspection process. Every skillet undergoes extensive quality checks to ensure that customers receive a product that meets high standards. In the unlikely event of a defect, GiPP's customer support team is readily available to assist. This reassurance of a satisfaction guarantee makes the purchase even more attractive, as you know that your investment is protected. You're not just buying a frying pan, you're investing in peace of mind and a positive customer experience. Ideal for all types of cooks. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, the GiPP skillet offers something for everyone. For those who are starting their cooking journey, the non-stick surface allows for easy handling and quick cleanup, which can be highly motivating. Meanwhile, seasoned cooks will appreciate the skillet's even heating and versatile stovetop compatibility, giving them the reliability they need to cook complex recipes with ease. Enhancing your kitchen's aesthetic. Apart from functionality, the GiPP skillet adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The white granite finish is sophisticated and unique, fitting into any modern kitchen aesthetic. It's more than just a cooking tool. It's a stylish piece of cookware that elevates the look of your cooking space. In summary, the GiPP Nonstick frying pan skillet is a great addition to any kitchen that values health, sustainability, and style. With its eco-friendly nonstick surface, ergonomic handle, and compatibility across stovetops, this skillet addresses the common challenges faced in everyday cooking. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner, this skillet supports your culinary ambitions. It's an investment in quality, health, and convenience, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.